And then we're going to go pick up the motorway. This will give you some idea how well it accelerates. And that's 60 miles an hour. So we're going to pick up a motorway now. It accelerates really, really strong. That's us cruising at 70 miles an hour. I've actually just engaged the radar cruise control. So what the car's now tagged onto is the car in front of me. And it's now set a distance from me to the car in front and kept the car's speed. That car's gone, it's now tagged onto the red car. Cruise control's still set at 70 miles an hour. Unless I pop out to overtake the red car, it won't speed up. But we are coming into a 50 zone, so I'm just going to let the car and the radar cruise do its thing. I've also got the lane assist turned on, so you might hear the odd beep every now and then as I stray across a white line or too close to the white line. Do get some input into the steering when you're on lane control. It helps you stay in the centre of the lane. It's not fully autonomous steering, but the steering weights up and pulls to one side and the other. But you still need your hands on that steering wheel. Do not remove your hands off the steering wheel. It's not what the system's designed for. car's slowing down on its own. It's lost the car that was in front of it now, so I've had to take over. I'll set the cruise now to 30, and we're on radar cruise, and we'll let the car do its thing. It'll hold this distance at the speed the car in front of me is doing. It'll speed up and slow down as it needs to. Can adjust the distance that the radar cruise will follow a car at. At the moment I've got it set at the longest distance. I like space between me and the car in front. Just in case something goes wrong in front of me, I've got the space to react, avoid an incident. It's just the way I prefer to drive. I like to leave a lot of space. That comes from my days of motorcycling, where you do not follow something that close, you can't react fast enough to get yourself out of trouble or stop. The beep was me getting too close to a white line, that's all it's telling me. This used to be a hybrid bugbear, powering up a hill. Let's go up the mountain. Hills in this little Yaris hybrid are not an issue. Slow down for that young child, because they're unpredictable and you don't know if they're going to come across the road. One of them cars, if you didn't tell somebody it was a hybrid, they jump in it and just think it was a normal automatic. It just drives. So nice. No hints that it's a hybrid, except for the silence. And even when the engine starts up, it's a seamless start up. You don't feel it, you hear it. That little 3-cylinder's got a really, really nice sound to it. It's got quite a raucous, and not a horrible noise, it's a nice noise. Triples make a nice noise. They've got a unique engine noise when they do start up.